Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Hybrid Self-Organized Clustering Scheme for Drone-Based Non-Native IoT Internet of Things. Data mining is the computing process of discovering patterns in large dataset involving method at the intersection of machine learning, statistics, and a database system. The overall role of the data mining process is to extract information from a dataset and transform it into an understandable structure for further use. Data mining is analysis step of the knowledge discovery in database process or TDD. Data mining is about finding new information in lot of data. The information obtained from data mining is hopefully both new and useful. So data mining is used for fetch the new information for a large amount of data. And also, for example, we are trending a Twitter means we are trending to data particular trending of 2018 or 19 data set to take a new trend of the data set. So we are discussing about the abstract of this project. Data contain large volume complex growing dataset with multiple autonomous sources with the fast development of networking, data storage and data collection capacity. Data are now rapidly expanding in all science and engineering domains including physical, biological and biomedical science. Data sharing in data is a great issue in the platform. The proposed system of this project to analyze the cluster in this iris dataset using the dataset to identify the similar data. This project is used to upload the dataset and pre-processing the dataset. Pre-processing means to identify the dataset in human way. Using many tools to identify the similar data and used to search the particular data. It is easy to identify the location and help the persons. It is very useful for us. So we are used to cluster in the particular dataset of the iris dataset. So we are identify the clustering of the particular data set. So it is used to the iris data set. Iris means eye disease of the data set. So iris petosia like that disease involved in this data set. So we are predicting the particular data set or particular disease of the data set. So we are uploading the iris dataset. First of all, user can select the dataset and clean in the dataset. Cleaning means pre-processing. Pre-processing means removing the missing values and null values. Next step is the train and test dataset. Train means we are training the iris dataset and test our dataset. So we are analyzing the mean value of the iris dataset. Mean means final mean of the particular value. Cluster run means it will cluster and rank in the values of the iris dataset. So finally we are executing the execution time for overall processor. Clustering means we are cluster and it will mention the star with the rank specified. So we are specified the rank algorithm means in iris dataset means iris is the eye disease dataset. So we are predicting the eye disease in the using the cluster rank algorithm. So this algorithm is the important thing of this project. So we are predicting the cluster rank using the iris dataset and finally we are executing the execution time of overall process. This is the cluster RAM project. So this is the iris.csv. So this data is used to predict the cluster and predict the disease of this particular using the data set. So this is the Python code. We are implementing the code in the Python. Okay. Then next one is we are running the code using this icon. So this is the output. So this is the first of all show in the data set pre-process and replace the null values, and this is calculating the mean and the standard deviation and the minimum and the maximum of iris data set. And then next is we are taking the particular data set of the iris data set and predict using the cluster rank. Then finally executing the whole process is completed, and finally executing the execution time of the whole process. This is the cluster and means this is the star is considered as the cluster, and a dot is mentioned as the rank of the iris dataset. This is the whole process. And the next one is variable explorer. Variable Explorer shows the execution time, category, and a center, color of the cluster, clustering dataset, and the distance of the dataset, and in which type of the error in this particular dataset. So no contain error means it will show the 0.0. Then finally we will show the mean and the standard deviation of the dataset, and the time of the whole process of the iris dataset. Thank you.